Hey guys, Frank from Adventures Outdoors. I'm on Micmac Lake here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. You know, the beauty of living in Halifax is that, we've got all these lakes. They stock the lakes, and some lakes are just natural. Like Micmac here has got a lot of bass in them, and it's just so much fun. And Micmac Lake here is actually open all year round, pretty much. I think it's all year round. The bass here, it's great fishing. I just come into the upper part of the lake now, and I'm looking at a spot that has some seaweed, not seaweed, some patties and some grass and some tules and stuff like that. And so for me, this is an ideal spot for bass. I'm not picking anything up on my fish finder, but they're probably in amongst the weeds right now. It's September 16th and it's 30 degrees out. It is so hot. It is unbelievable. So I would say that the bass are in amongst the grass and underneath the lily pads. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna approach those and see what we can pick up. So stay tuned, hang tight, and do me a favor, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And don't forget to like or comment on videos that you see. So I really appreciate that. I love the dialogue. I love the comments. So stay tuned, see what we can dig up here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. Nice bass. Wow. I knew there'd be big bass here in amongst these weeds. So great spot for bass. Look at this guy. Yeah. Let's get out of here a little bit. I don't get caught in that. Nice little bass. Nothing wrong with him. Kind of figured right around here there definitely have to be some bass kicking around. So nice. Alright, well, let's let this guy go, put him back in the water here. Nice bass. Yeah. Well, I just caught a nice pickerel. Thought I was turning my GoPro on. Thought it was running. Apparently, it was in picture mode. So, I didn't get to videotape that. So, let's catch another one. I can't believe I did that. Anyway, those things happen. But he was a nice pickerel. It was actually a really decent pickerel. I thought I'd hook the weeds, is what I thought. But there seems to be a lot of fish sitting out over in this corner over here. There's not too many places that you can be in the middle of the city. This is like 2 minutes from my house, where I can put the boat in and I can have a really good day fishing, having a lot of fun, still be home, time for supper. There we go, and I lost it. And I lost it. Well. Holy shit. This is gonna be a big fish. This is gonna be a big fish. Yeah. Holy shit balls. Gonna be one of the biggest fish I've had here, probably. Well, he's moving the boat. Look at the size of that bass. That is a monster bass. Look at the size of that guy. Holy moly. That is almost as big as my arm. Look at this. That is a nice, big, beautiful bass. Wow. Well, let's get you back in the water so someone else can enjoy you. Yeah. Anybody tell you that you can't catch big fish in the city is crazy. That was a big fish. That guy, I was trolling a, that's not it. I was trolling a dollar store minnow when I caught that guy. That's what I was trolling right there. This guy. Yeah, so I was trolling this guy with a little bit of a weight. And, you know, this, that's all it was. I was just trolling that. Tied right on, line direct right onto the hook. A little weight on it. So I'm fishing right now, actually. And that guy crushed it. That guy absolutely crushed it. Anyway, that was fun. Now, unfortunately, time to go.